Look, Anna. I'm busy, Tom. Documentation is key. Lucky! I'm here. Be good for Grandma and Grandpa.
See you in 3 days.
Your parents have to work in the city. Tomorrow, you're gonna help us with the animals.
Grandma, can I write everything down? I want to make sure there aren't any mistakes.
Of course you can, sweetheart. That's a very good idea. There are a lot of things to fix around here. I need to write everything carefully.
We have to wake up really early. I'll set my alarm clock. That's my girl. Wow, look at that. Note number 1. Go faster, Lucky. Go faster, Lucky. I'm ready for tomorrow. Everything is perfect.
Wake up, lazy bones! The animals are waiting for us!
I'm still sleepy. Hurry up, Tom. We have work to do. But I'm just so tired. Let's go, come on.
Here are our lovely cows.
Wow, they eat a lot.
Here are our lovely cows.
Wow, they eat a lot. Hi, Bella. Move slowly, Tom. She's watching you.
Hold it like this and pull softly.
Okay, I think I got it. Ah! Look, it's working. This is so fun. I need to write down the exact motion. There, got it. Perfect. My turn, let me try. Ah! It got in my eyes.
Use these sticks to guide them.
I'm ready for battle.
They're so noisy.
Go to the pond, ducks. Move, move, move. Oh no, my beautiful roses. Get out of there. Go on, Shoo. Stop yelling, Tom. You're scaring them. Come this way, little ducks. Okay, I'll do it gently. That's much better.
Time for a haircut, Fluffy.
I'll hold her for you, Grandma. I'm super strong. Don't worry, I got this.
Hold still, you silly sheep.
She's very jumpy today.
Whoa! Wait a minute. Tom! Are you okay? Oh my goodness! Ha ha! That was like a roller coaster.
You're a tough boy.
Lunch is ready, kids. Everything smells so good. Fresh milk, nice and warm. Naturally sweet. Perfect. Wow, this milk is amazing. It's way better than store-bought milk. I'm glad you think so. You want some, buddy? It's a beautiful afternoon. Come here, Lucky. Catch this one. Good boy. I am not amused. What's wrong, Lucky?
Did you just cough?
Tom, that bread is... that bread dot stale. The flour is old and there's no butter. I'm not eating it.
Oh my gosh! Am I dreaming? You just talked.
Yesterday, Grandma gave me an old bone. I deserve better than cold rice.
Can all of them talk too? This is crazy!
Anna! Come out here right now! It's an emergency! Anna! Where are you? It's really urgent!
Why are you yelling, Tom? Did you break something?
What's going on here?
I need to talk to both you. We have some issues.
All right, I'm listening. Go ahead and start.
I want to talk about the milking schedule. It's way too early. I'm not even awake when you start. I need 15 more minutes of sleep.
15 more minutes for Bella. Got it. Who's next? You waved that stick like crazy. You scared us into the rose bushes. I know, Drake. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I won't do it again.
I don't mind the haircuts. I know it's necessary. But Grandpa cut too close to my skin today. Nobody asked what style I wanted.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Now it's my turn to speak.
The East chicken coop has a leaky roof. The rain drops right on my bed.
I crowed extra loud for 3 days, but nobody cared. I'm saving my voice from now on. Buzz, buzz.
Even the bees have complaints?
The West roses need more water. We work hard, but there's no nectar.
This is a talking animal farm. My brain is exploding.